And back in Concord, we're gonna go look and meet the plasterers. They're here today, taking care of the plaster work. Beautiful day, so we are at the beginning of the week coming out to take a look at what's happening here. Hello. Woo. Hola. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. You can find me helping clients take their dated old kitchens and transform them into beautiful new kitchens that they love because they fit their homes and lifestyle much better. If you're ready to start your kitchen remodeling journey or just enjoy watching home transformations, you are at the right place. Come join me.
Ya estamos tratando de poner el ceiling que le dije.
Oh, okay, okay.
Y creo que sería también, no sé, hasta ahorita me di cuenta.
Oh, this thing here. Okay.
Pusimos a este. Este es como plywood también, pero no sé si usted quiere que le pongamos board.
Yeah, maybe we should.
What do you have? What do you have?
That looks good,
I
huh?
think half inch is fine.
Yeah, because it's not rustic, but you can see the,
No, I'd say
plywood.
I'd say half inch is fine.
So they sang the bathroom, so we put it like 3/8.
Tratando de
Because it's plywood on the ceiling, so we want to,
Yeah,
look more better, nice.
yeah.
No, that looks good.
Yeah, so right here we want to put a corner bit, right, Mary? On the top.
Corner bead, yeah.
Yeah, and blue board on the top, right?
On the top?
Yeah, because
I think you should.
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Oh, right,
Yeah.
right.
this one is like a ceiling.
Oh,
Right
yeah.
here.
I haven't looked up there.
Yeah, we can
Yeah,
put
there's nothing you can't. There's nothing
Yeah.
holding it. It's like it's all
Yeah.
open.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of people can see over here, but we,
Well, she-
cover the wire, everything. So I think it's more better, right?
Yeah, if she wants
Yeah.
to put something up
Yeah.
there or something.
Yeah. No, that's good. That's good. But this wall looks amazing, guys. Wow. And I
Yeah.
saw that looks good.
Wow, beautiful.
Yeah, we finished right there. So if we hang the board and we plaster. Like,
This is all done too,
Yeah.
right? Okay. Nice.
Only we need to fix the crack in the corner.
I know, right?
Or you want to put it the whole wall?
Right here, Jim. This one.
Uh,
Wow.
Yeah, only this crack we need to fix. I don't know, because the thing is, we put a plaster, we need to put a plaster the whole.
Oh, you know what's gonna happen? I think.
no, I think it's
So
just,
there's a cabinet going here.
Okay. But we can repair the crack.
You
right?
can
Okay.
repair the crack,
Yeah, I
but
think
don't fuss too much
oh,
because
this looks
there's
great.
there's a tall cabinet.
Yeah, we patched in the corner.
Miguel, I'd rather have you concentrate like maybe more there
Okay.
than because I think the cabinet is going here and then a little bench over here.
Okay.
So I think
Alright, so the
I mean
same
yeah, it's like
wall, I wanna ask, so you need to put it something right here, right?
Yeah, this cabinet's going there.
Okay, so this wall, want to me like repair, like
yeah, like you don't have to worry too much.
because I checked the plan, supposedly it's cabinet.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's cabinets on there.
Yep.
I wanna ask you first.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
you're good. You're good.
We patched the whole.
Down here though, Miguel, like
Alright, yeah.
some of it is open. Like there are cabinets, but then there's a bench that's going there. So I think
Fix it lower, yeah.
if you repair
Yeah.
like some of it,
Yeah.
I know because that's where the heat register is. I know. Look at this kid. I like it. Hola.
So tenemos más.
I know.
Normalmente Mari él es Byron, Jim. You remember him, right? Byron,
Oh, yeah.
and the other guy is Luis. So
Luis.
they work with plaster. So they work with me. He's Eddie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sometimes they work in different areas. That's why see.
Oh,
My
okay.
sister, remember my sister?
Oh, yeah,
So-
No, I don't know her.
We don't know Wendy. Nope. No la conozco.
Yeah.
Wendy who?
Who's good?
I know.
Yeah.
We don't know Wendy. No la conozco. Para nada. Wow. Looks good.
No, looks awesome, Miguel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'll be the cameraman. Oh, I see what is happening.
Wow.
There we are. Much better.
What a difference.
That looks awesome. Beautiful. Finally, we get to see some action here. This is great. We probably won't want to paint the walls, right?
Oh,
So pretty.
Miguel,
Yeah.
where did you find the water? In the basement?
Yeah, we go downstairs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's what I thought.
Yeah. When
I-
we leave, so we turn it off again. So.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah.
So this right here, that's what you call
Oh.
fire block.
I don't think we finished that. It's probably we
Oh, no, that's
For,
fine, that's fine. Whatever
You have
whatever
to
you
fire block
But
need.
holes
I
that
Then we
mean,
finish
go
the
from one
floor, so
floor to the
Well,
next.
we can finish.
Or at
Well, to
least
let you
that's
know,
my
you can stay.
understanding of
Okay,
what
you
fire
think you can stay
blocking
late?
is.
you can stay as late as you
All
want.
right, but the
So
guys are
we try to finish.
That's
today,
up to
but-
you, though.
Yeah.
You know, you can come in as early
doing
as you
all
want.
kinds of work over here.
You know, because she's.
And this
I
kid
don't-
knows
I don't
what
think
he's
she's
doing.
home, but
And then
she's
you have
I
another
see
person
her.
hanging,
she's in that part of the house. So.
and then
Yeah. Because when we hear, so I was seeing her over here.
Yeah.
Miguel is hanging some boards over here. This is awesome.
How many sheets did you end up using?
17.
17? I
Yeah.
said 12. Oh,
Yeah.
I was off.
I buy a 14. I go to Home Depot now. They buy 3 more. So.
Oh.
Wow.
Which Home Depot? Waltham?
Waltham, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the closest one, probably. Yeah. All right. All right. We'll be out of your hair.
Concord lumber is not too far. Concord lumber, right in Concord.
4 minutes, right?
Yeah, it's just
Yeah.
just to let you
Yes,
know.
give it some texture.
I.
All
Hola.
right. Hola, hola. Oh, voy a entrar acá a ver el baño, a ver cómo está quedando. Hello. Oh. Oh, wow. The ceiling is huge. That's all gonna get covered. Oh, we gotta tell them to do this little wall here. The plaster looks great.
We
So you have to replace quite a chunk of that, right? Probably water was getting in.
I think if I.
All right, that was great. We learned that one of the guys is having a baby in May. Well, the wife is having a baby in May, so that's amazing. Fantastic news. We're all excited. First child. We'll come back again at the end of the week and see how it looks. But this week is floor and plaster and then floors. All right, bye for now.